Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. This is Simply April, and if you're new here, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and hit that bell notification so you will be updated if I have a new video. And as you can see in our title, we have here the orange bag. If you saw orange bag, you know what is it? Temu time, guys. So this is the one that my favorite one, because we have here 30 item plus, guys. So you better get your coffee, your water, you know, your iced coffee, whatever drinks you have there, get it, because it's gonna be long. So I'm gonna try to do it fast as I can, because my little girl, you know, soon she's gonna cry and I have to stop the video. So yeah, 30 plus item. I think I have here in the bag like 30 item, and then I don't know why they have to separate the 4 item, guys. 4 items. So I've been waiting for that. If they deliver it tomorrow, I could add it on this video, but if not, so just 30 plus. So yeah, we have here the baby stuff, kitchen stuff, and what else, decor. So yeah, I'll put the link in our description box. Also, I have the discount code for you guys. I do affiliate to them, and yeah, if you want to do affiliate also, I'll put that in our description box, guys, so you can earn an extra money. All right, so without further ado, let's get started. So if you're new here, and if you're new, you haven't heard the Temu, so they are a marketplace that have a good deal, guys. And they also have a 90 days free return. I think they have also a 90% off discount. So if you use my code, you will get 30% off. So check it out. So this one is a mesh food cover. So I really need this one, guys, because sometimes we put food in the table. So you know, like for breakfast, after I cook, and then if my husband not ready yet, or me is not ready to eat yet, so we have to cover this using this one. So this is how it looks. There you go. So this one is $1.87, guys. So if you have, you can use this as your cover. Okay, I really like this one. All right, just push it. So that one is $1.58, and I'm so excited. So I got like it, you know. So here we have here for the kitchen, guys. So this one, so this is a stainless steel plastic, you know, for your oil. My baby's crying now. So this one is 98 cents. So I really need this. So it comes with this. This is tiny one. I forgot the name. My baby is crying. So this is a glass, guys. Oh, this is a glass one. Oh my gosh, it worked. So this one, 98 cents. Wow, I love this. This is only 98 cents. So, oh, so we have here This one for my baby. So this one is 8 pieces Girl Love bow. So this one is $2.98. That is really cute, guys. Even though she doesn't have hair yet, you know. Look at that one. See? That's so pretty. Oh my gosh. She will use this one. I like this. Oh my goodness. Okay. This one, silicone filter drain. You can put your sponge here. So this is, oh, this is only 18 cents, guys. Wow. For this one, only 18 cents. What? 18 cents. Look at that. So I have one, but the other one doesn't come like this, you know, so you can just put around on the, so I don't like that one. So this one is really nice, and it's pink. I don't know, baby. I'll be back. So we're back, guys. We're back. So I have here the, you know, for flowers, I mean. So I have a base already there. So I got this for her room. So this is really cute. Look at this one. It's like a pom-pom. Look at that one. Oh my god. See? And ikaw with this, I just gonna put like, I'm gonna decor, you know, I didn't finish her what's that, nursery room yet. So so this one, $2.78. This pom-pom, like a pom-pom one, $2.78. And this one is $1.08. So there's like a smell on it. I should not smell that one. So there's a smell. So there you go. So, oh my god, this one is really, I've been waiting for this. What is this? Oh, so this one, guys, it's a pillow cover, you know, for throw pillow. So I got 4. Oh, I like the quality. Oh wow, it says sweet home sweet home. So I got 4. So this one, home sweet home, let me see, $2.59. $2.59. They're like different prices. Let me show you. Sorry. $2.59, and then the 3 of them is $1.99. So this one is Bless This Home. I like the material, guys. Oh, it's like, you know, the rice sack. It's like that. So nice quality, huh? It's not thin. So you will see this on my, you know, I'll show this when I just need to wash it first. So we got that one, and we have the flower one. You know, it's summer, so that's so pretty. Love that. And yeah, this one is Home Sweet Home. It's really nice. So this one is the one that $2.59. I don't know why. And then the 3 of them is $1.99. So it's cheaper. Oh, this one is air fryer paper. So this one is 25 pack. I don't know why it's like this. Temu, what happened? Alright, so they should put this in a, you know, the plastic one, that so it's not like this, but it's alright. So this one is I got 25 pieces of this because I need this to my air fryer, guys. We need it because you know it's kind of hard. Like every time you use it, you know, you have to wash it, like get burned in there. So this one costs $1.49. So you know, when I use it, I just put it and then just throw it away. So when I wash it just one time and big time. So next, oh my god, oh this is for my baby. Look at that one, guys. Oh my goodness, I love this one. Oh. So mommies, oh my god, I'll put this on her oh, look at that. You know, on her what do you call this? Crib side. That's so pretty. So this one, just put it on a wall or something. So this one, it costs like $1.88, guys. The rainbow one. $1.88. I'm so happy. For my baby, I get some. And then I know it's not fit yet to her, but I got her a shoes. That one shoes. This is so pretty. Let me take a pic. So yeah, this one is $2.69. Infant baby girl shoes. This is so cute. Look at that, so tiny. Oh my god. Oh, look at that. It's so nice. So, yep. It's not really hard, guys. It's not hard. So, her feet is not gonna, you know, hurt in here. It's kind of soft material. So, I like that one because there's like a shoes that, you know, it's hard. So tiny. So next, and I got her this one, you know, so I can hang her clip, yeah, her bow. It's a rainbow too. This is so cute. Oh my god. I think I'll hang here this one on the side of the door. So that one, guys, oh my goodness, isn't it cute? So I'll put her, you know, her different clips here. This one, I'm gonna hang it here. That one. So this one costs like, this one is $5.57. Hair accessories hanging. So this is so pretty. Let's see. I got her. And then, oh yeah, this one. I really need this, guys. This is a rubber gloves, you know. That's so cute. It's like transparent and then pink. So, you know, when I wash, because I wash her bottle separately, you know. I don't put it in the washer. So I wash it separately. So yeah. Because my hands is like so dry. So this one, I need this. It get dry, guys. So I need the, you know, protection. So this one costs like, how much for this one? So one pair long sleeve rubber. This one is $2.57. See, $2.57. So yep, transparent. This is really cute, huh? It's nice. So it's all the way up. See, let me try. So here you go. So when I wash her bottle, like for example, so I can wash more, right? So that one is $2.57. I'll get excited. So this one is for decor, guys. I love decoration too. So this one is wood beads, guys. This is really nice, you know. Wooden beads, like garland. This is this is only 68 cents, guys. 68 cents. I should get like two, huh? I'm gonna put it on the, what's that? The entry table. So this is really nice. I like that. This is so nice, guys. Yeah, like that. This is 68 cents. So that's 68 cents wooden bead garland. Yeah. Why I keep smelling it. So that's for our decoration, for our house, Then this one, I really like this. Since I was young, guys, I love, I like seeing the dream catcher. I want to have like one on our room, but one day I'll buy the big one and I'll put that in our room. I want to buy it in a, like the one that I really like to go. I'll put her on her room because when you are a mom, guys, like you want, like, before it's for yourself, but now you want to buy everything for your baby, for your kids, So this one, it's a dream catcher. As you can see, guys, it's really gorgeous. I'll put it on either on the window or side of her crib, like on the wall, like that. So this one costs like $4.78. Sweet pink dream catcher. So there you go. Really nice, guys. So the details. Look at that stone. And the feathers, the beads, the pink beads, the white one. It's really nice. That's so cute. I like that. One of my favorite that I got. And yeah, this one, I got this for my hair catcher for my husband. Because I don't know, I just don't like, the hair on every time I see the hair in the sink, I get up, I get upset. Because I always clean the sink and then there's a lot of hair there everywhere. So I got him this. So every time he, got his beard, we have this one to catch his hair. So like he's gonna hang it. This one like that. And then you have this one. You just put it on the mirror like that. So it's catching like that. Yes. So this is very, one time, big time. One time clean, You don't have to. So this one costs like pear shape apron. This is $1.87, guys. So it comes with, suction. We call it suction. So guys, my husband is here now. So I got her this car seat cover. This is really cute, guys. There you go. That's really nice. What's that? Material. This is $6.48. Because we need to put her a cover on her car seat. That one. Oh, next. Oh, this one. I got this. So I got this too, but the other one didn't come yet. So one piece hanging hand towel. So this is a hand towel. You can use it on a kitchen or your bathroom, you know. This is so cute. So this one is $1.58 hanging hand towel. So I got the pink one, but it's not yet here. So that is really cute, guys. Look at that. That's so cute. And I got her a pacifier clip. $3.78. This is two pieces, guys. Let me open up so you can see the detail. Let me use this. There's like a strong smell, guys. Like my head is hurting. So I gotta wash this first before give it to her. So this is silicone and it's the clip is plastic. So that one. This one does just a simple one, doesn't have like the last time, like a baby word. So that one. Oh, the other one is pink. That one right there. That's so cute. Cute. So she have more clip on her pacifier. So next, so hanging, almost there, guys. And another clip, guys. There you go. Another clip. I hope my voice is not kind of low because I didn't use the microphone this time. I used it on another video. It's a Temu too. So that one right there. That's really cute. Oh my gosh. Oh, this one, yeah, $2.98. Same with the white one. I like that. It's all for her, for my baby. So I got this one is silicone for my face. Manual silicone cleansing brush. So this one is 57 cents, guys. 57 cents. So don't forget my discount code, guys. So you get 30% off. Check my description box. So that one. Silicone one. Okay. 57 cents. Temu. So this one, I really need this one. Multifunctional 4-in-1. So I don't know how to help you to open the, what's that, when you open the sauces. So I'll use this. So this is 29 cents for this. 29 cents. And we got a case. Of course, not gonna always have a case, guys. I don't know, I'm kinda addicted to the case. So this is like a cushion. Hold on. Okay, I'm back again. She's crying. Okay, where we at now? Oh, in the phone case. So, yep. Is really nice. Silicone one, guys, because it's summer, perfect for summer. Love that. That is, I think this one is like 58 cents too. The case. Yeah, I'm right. 58 cents. So 58 cents for the casing. Oh, this one. The sticker. Oh, it says 100 pieces. Gonna be like you know, in a big cartoon. This one, oh, this one is $2.08. 100 pieces. It's a groovy boho stickers. I'm trying to, you know, decorate her room. Put this one to her room. Just stay glue pieces. Just stay groovy. That one. Another rug, guys. Memory foam bath rug. So this one is $2.38. Put this on a bathroom. There you go. Rug. Alright. This is 40 by 60 centimeter gray. Okay. And we got here the... Alright, back again. So guys, just expect every time I do my Temu haul, I just gonna keep, you know, cutting it because, you know, I have a baby and yeah, you're a mom. So we have here the stainless steel. It's a 500 ml vacuum bottle, double wall, large mouth. So 30 lighter, stronger than ever, double wall construction, vacuum insulation. So this one, I got this for my husband. So this is $2.78. So she got the, like, what's this, navy blue. Yeah. So you know, when you're driving to the work, yeah, this coffee here. That's really nice. Just push. That's so nice, guys. It's really nice. See? So you have your cup here, like. So that's really nice. Can I make odorless, keep hot and cold. So this is keep hot and cold. That's so nice. For $2.78, you have a bottle ready for your coffee and whatever, like juice. Next, so milk coffee color. So this one, I got this, you know, for that is, I didn't know that this is like really small, huh? So this is a travel size. Almost done, guys. So this is makeup brush loose set. So that's the case. This is really small. Really travel size, huh? So it come with this, like that. Like that. That's really nice, guys. And 3 for your eyes, eyeshadow, you know. That's so cute. And it comes with the mirror, guys, for $2.79. You got that one. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Everything that we have for like 30 pieces and yeah, $60, guys. Everything. Yeah, I have 4 items also coming, but I don't know, I think maybe Monday. So yeah, I'm just gonna put it there in our when I edit the video. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this video, guys. So I love all that I got, especially this one. I love the dream catcher, her shoes, and then the flowers, and this the rainbow. I like that. And this too, it's really cute. And also my cover for pillow, love it. So yeah, I hope you enjoy, guys, and Temu haul. So yeah, that's all we got from Temu, guys. So I hope you enjoy, and yeah, so leave a comment which one you like on our haul for today, and don't forget to check our description box. I'll put the link and also my discount code, guys. I'll put in our screen. So yeah, and I hope you enjoy, and see you next time, guys. Once again, this is Simply April, always leaving you a quote that be good, be blessed, be safe, and spread the love, guys. Bye. See you next time. So I just received the 4 item, guys, today, that we separated. So we have here the, let me put it out. So I got here the, I think this is a oil spoon scoop. When I fried, you know, like chicken, shrimp, I can strain the, you know, the oil. So there you go. So this is 8 cents, guys. Here you go. So yeah, this is 8 cents. Spoon oil scoop. There you go. And then I got here the, this is so tiny, 1-pack collapsible panel. I made this one, and you know, for oil. Soy sauce. That's nice. There you go. This is 38 cents. So the other one is just 8 cents. This one, 8 cents, guys. Wow, that's a nice deal. And this is the other one, the hanging towel for the kitchen, or you can also use this for your bathroom. So this one is the pink one. There you go. Pink one. So cute. And then we got here the, I got one, and I got one sunglasses here, guys. I believe this is like $2. Let me see. This is $1.88. So yeah, this is $1.88. Look at the details, guys, like the gold details there. And I like this. Right, so yeah, that's the 4 item, guys.